Breaking space news, astronomers have just detected the biggest ever collision between two black holes. Black holes sometimes get too close to each other and merge, and when black holes merge, they produce gravitational waves, ripples in space. And we have the ability to detect those ripples using gravitational wave observatories like LIGO. LIGO detectors consist of two arms in an L shape. Each arm is 2.5 miles long, and when a gravitational wave passes through Earth, it slightly changes the length of one arm relative to the other. LIGO isn't the only gravitational wave observatory in the world, but it is the one that detected this black hole collision with its two detectors, one in Washington state and one in Louisiana. And this is what the signal looks like, just little blips. There's a lot of information we can get from these little blips, including how big the black holes are both before and after the merger. We think one was about 100 times the mass of the sun, another was around 140 times the mass of the sun, and then they combined to make a black hole around 225 times the mass of the sun. We have never detected a collision of such big black holes before, and in fact, these black holes are almost too big. You see, black holes form when massive stars collapse, but not every big star will turn into a black hole. For stars between 60 and 130 times heavier than the sun, we don't think that they will form black holes. Their physics doesn't work. They'd get blown apart before a black hole can form. But here we're seeing a collision of two black holes that are in that mass range. It's possible that these black holes are actually the process of another merger in the past. Four smaller black holes might have combined to form these two bigger ones, and now we've seen these two merge to form one really big black hole. This process could also explain something else about this black hole collision, which was how fast the black holes were spinning. It seems like both these black holes were spinning really fast, around 40 times per second, which is close to the maximum possible speed a black hole can have and remain stable. So maybe they got that fast because of previous mergers. Overall, this is a really interesting discovery because there is a lot we don't know about how black holes form and grow. So finding black holes in this new mass range opens up a lot of questions, but also shows us that we are on the right track to figuring out some of the answers. Gravitational wave science is still just in its infancy, and there is a lot more to come.